Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to hide header menu on product page only. Before diving into this video, I want to share the benefit of hiding header menu on product page only. So, first and foremost, hiding the header menu on product page can help to eliminate distraction for your customers. So, when a potential buyer land on your Shopify store product page, you want them to focus on one things and one things only, which is your product. By removing the Shopify header menu, you are essentially removing any other option or link that could potentially lead them away from making a purchase. This can greatly increase the chance of a conversion and ultimately boost your sales. So I hope you understand the benefit of hiding the header menu on product page only in Shopify. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, and want to increase your sales, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to log in our Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel and I'm going to view my online store. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to open a product. For example, I want to open this one. Okay, and we wanted to, when someone visit this product page, the header menu will be hide. Okay, to do this, we have to go to our admin panel, and here is the admin panel. Click on the online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code. Now search base, then you will find base.css file, and here we have to add a simple CSS code in the bottom of this file. Okay, now the question is that where you will get this code. I share this code source link in the video description. You can easily copy the code snippet from my website, so don't worry about that. And right now I'm going to use this code. Here is the code, then copy. You will get this code source link in the video description, so don't forget to check out the video description where you will get code source link. I have added the code snippet in my website e-commerce thesis, so don't worry about that. Okay, now go back Shopify admin panel, base.css file, scroll down and paste this code snippet, then click on the save, asset save. Now reload. Wow, we have done. You can see that the header has been hide or removed right now from product page. So I hope you understand everything very easily and you can do it by yourself. And if you think you need any more additional support, then you can contact with me. I have shared all the contact information in the video description so that you can connect with me easily by email, by WhatsApp. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.